Hi and welcome to the review. And no, I have not gone mad and I have not completely forgot to edit this video. I've deliberately left this green because today we're going to be reviewing the Elgato and get this name, Keylight collapsible green screen. Now the way green screens work is realistically you'll see them used in photography, they're used in cinema, they're of course used by content creators. And what it's done is the term is actually used chroma keying or keying a scene. Now, the reason green's used is in realistic terms, green isn't normally worn by people as colours. It can be. I've certainly got some green clothes, but I certainly wouldn't use anything with this particular accent of green while I was using a green screen. For that reason, there are other screens available. You can get blue screens, but again, if you're a Smurf, it's probably not a good idea to use that. Now, the reason I wanted the collapsible green screen is I looked at a couple of options. One was to have one come from the ceiling, which Elgato do one of those as well. I'll stick links to both in the description. But was for ease of use, tidy it away. It's put up in seconds and gone from there because this is my previous experience of setting up a green screen. So what we're going to do today is review the green screen and show you how it works. And realistically, you can change your background from this to this. And hey, why not even this? So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to go through a little bit about the green screen and then we'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. So today we're going to be looking at the Elgato green screen. Now, it comes in at around 160 centimeters, or for us men, 63 inches. So the useful part about this is it folds down. Now, I've had green screens before previously. They're an absolute nightmare when it comes to setting up. You've got the various rods to set up and then therefore pull out the the actual screen itself to get it out and running. This, however, just works on this basis of these two clips. So we just pop these two clips just here, and what we need to do is bend these feet out. So at the very bottom, you've got these feet that turn around, as you can see. Try not to scratch my floor to bits. Get these feet to stabilise. You'll have the pair of feet that stabilise the device and sit out. Now what you need to do is turn the lid over using the two clips that we've done earlier. And you'll see there's a pull handle. Now the motion is fairly straightforward. And we've now got a perfectly erected green screen. How that looks around the back is it's basically an X setup with various hydraulics. And putting it back is just the same process. If you want to see how that motion works, I'll just show you. So doing it from the back, that's a case of bringing it down, and make sure you slide and slam it down, pulling it up, it's as simple as follows, and it locks in place when erected. Now height wise, it measures in at, from the floor, around 77 inches or just under 2 meters in height. Now if you wonder why I'm wearing pegs on my nipples or nipple clamps, I can assure you I only wear these on Sundays. Or they're not actually pegs or nipple clamps, they're actually Comico wireless microphones, and I'm running them in stereo, and I thought what better place to put them. So, but yeah, green screen, absolutely fantastic. It's a lot better than any of the other ones I've had, and then putting it down I can do in seconds. Voila. Hi and welcome back. And to give you my review on the Elgato green screen, I'm actually really impressed with it. One, because it's easy to erect, very easy to put down as well. It's good in this respect that it doesn't seem to crease as badly as some of the other ones, like you probably saw in my earlier video. But also the actual colour green is really good. It's actually got a very nice chroma colour to it. So it makes it easy to just drop in some of the key and effects that you might want to use. Now realistically for the price point it is quite expensive, but then you pay for what you get. So, you know, don't buy cheap and buy twice. Why not look for a good opportunity? Now the only bugbear I've got with it is that I've heard some people complain, particularly those that film in 4K with wide angle lenses, about the width of it. Now the problem is with this is that realistically you're always going to try and film. If I was standing up, it's never generally too much of a problem because I would probably have it zoom in on my face more. However, if I was to go back, you can probably see in this bottom corner, just about here, I've run out of green screen. Now that's just because of the positioning of my room, and if I had the longer one, it wouldn't be so much of a challenge. However, for the price point and what I was trying to achieve with it, it's an absolute fantastic purchase. You do also get some nice, wonderful freebies from Elgato, who are actually owned by Corsair. And if you're going to get into content creating or clever photography where you want to do a bit of chroma keying, I would strongly suggest this as a product. Just be aware that the actual width may be a little bit of a constraint. The height generally, as it's at well over 6 foot, works quite well. If you like this video, please hit the and subscribe button, and I will see you next time.